Winter storm warning as 13 inches of snow to strike. Extreme caution. Winter weather related alerts from the National Weather Service are in place for over a dozen states. Early on Saturday, after forecasters warned that winter storm would lead to a broad area of snow from the eastern plains through the western Great Lakes over the weekend. Forecasters cautioned that heavy snowfall could create dangerous travel conditions after Thanksgiving, as the American Automobile Association anticipates more than 80 million people will journey at least 50 miles from home between November 25 and December 1. Winter storm warnings issued by the National Weather Service when a significant combination of hazardous winter weather is occurring or imminent are in place across parts of Montana, South Dakota, Nebraska, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan.